is ready for another Rhaenyra update. Actually, not an update. We're just kind of moving through. I just took a little bit of break from her because I just needed a little bit of a break. So now let's get back into it, and I'll show you where I'm at. Okay, this crazy. We are starting on the dragon embroidery that is in the middle of her gown. So let me show you what I've been doing, which looks a little insane, I will say. So here is my interpretation of what that dragon embroidery looks like in the middle of her gown. And for reference, it is this piece right here. Yeah, so there's not a lot of really good pictures out there of it. And what I've had to do is my own interpretation on a lot of this. So this is what I decided to come up with. I know a lot of it might be different than what you come up with it or another person came up with it, but this is what we're going for. So it's going to be a lot of combination of embroidery and beading. It's actually going to be more heavy on the beading side than the embroidery. There's going to be a lot of embroidery floss and the dragon heads kind of going down the neck and and going down the neck and coming around down here. A lot of the dots that you see are going to be beads. I'm going to use a combination of 3 different tones of red, 3 different tones of gold, black, and yeah, I think that's it as far as beads go. So this is kind of the mapped out version. It's kind of nuts. I really don't know where I'm going to go with until I kind of really get into it. So right now I have the layout like I want. So we're going to transfer the this traced outline to some fabric, specifically whatever I have upstairs. It might be organza, it might be something else, but we're going to get there and then we're going to start stitching, and then this is going to be a continuation of a bunch of videos like you guys have seen already. So let's go ahead and transfer this over to the fabric and get started. To wrap up this video, here's what I have so far. I ended up putting some wool on top of this netting, this black netting, to give just a little raised texture on the dragon parts specifically. I don't know if it'll work, but sometimes I like to have a little undertone underneath the beading and the embroidery that I'm doing. So tonight I'm going to start working on the head with embroidery floss, and you'll learn about that in the next video. But here we go, dragon embroidery time. It's going to be too cute, guys.